I'm a fighter. It's innate, it's natural, and I'm able to put that to use for my clients, many of which are not naturally fighters, that are not out to go and have this crazy legal battle and really shake up their lives. But unfortunately, they've been thrust into this situation. And so they sign on with our firm, and I'm able to give them their power back. I'm able to allow them to utilize my firm and my knowledge to take back control and start making decisions, and quite honestly, start making demands of the other person. I don't need to pump myself up. That is just the way that I've always kind of approached things. I'm attorney Chris Sullivan. I am the founder of CLS Law Injury Lawyers in Phoenix, Arizona. We are personal injury litigators. I have always wanted to be an attorney, probably since I was 7 years old, and my mother took me through a law library. So it was always part of the plan. And then I come from a family of entrepreneurs, so I worked with my uncle in a family business for several years while I went through Arizona State and then law school. Life has put me in various situations that I've had to encounter and maneuver through and succeed on, and so I've been able to put that to use for other people, and that's been really enjoyable. And it's all about the client and their story and being able to be transparent with a jury to bring that story to life. And so that is what we do. We put the client front and center. These defense lawyers for these large corporations, they're there to plant weeds in your garden. Our job is to utilize the litigation process to put that story together, piece it together, and present it in a way that is truly unique to that client. And that story becomes more and more important with the greater the impact that injury has had on that person's life. I need to be able to look in the mirror every day and say, I am the person to handle these matters. In any case we take, a good portion of my practice is actually seeking out hard cases. Cases that other lawyers have turned down, cases where a client just has found no solutions anywhere. We'll take those cases on. And you say, why would you do that? If other lawyers are turning them down, they're either low value or they can't be won. No, we intentionally do that. As long as we like the client, we see their story, we'll actually utilize those tough cases to stress test the other side and try some unique and different approaches to their case. Am I the best person to be representing that client in the courtroom? I can't say that we're the perfect firm for every case. I can say that every case we've taken on, there is nobody better to speak for that client. There is nobody other than us and myself that should be standing in that courtroom to tell their story.